स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So today we'll talk about the St. Xavier 2021. So those aspirants who are looking to pursue the BMS and BMM from St. Xavier, that means the Bachelor of Management Studies and Bachelor of Mass Media. So you have to crack an entrance exam conducted by the St. Xavier itself. So guys, how many of you started your preparations? Although we are not getting the dates properly, but yes guys, the tentative dates which we discussed before in our video, so you have to assume that day and you have to start the preparation accordingly. Because guys, the thing which matters a lot, and that is nothing but the preparations. Whatever the date might become, let's have your preparation 100%. Okay, be on a track of a preparations. Whatever preparation you have done right now, it's okay guys. And if you want some boosters in your preparations, then you can join to the Manua crash course programs. So guys, let's talk in detail about what exactly the crash course is. So let's move further. And if you are preparing for all these BBA entrance exams such as the IP MAT and PAT, SET, CRIST, TUCAT, UGAT, IPOS CETs and the St. Xavier's or even other entrance exams, then you have to subscribe our channel named the Manua BBA entrance exam, because you will get all the updates with respect to all these exams. So link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description, and whatever doubts you have, if you want a particular video, then guys tell me in the comment box and we'll try to answer all of your queries. So to get the best coaching for all BBA entrance preparations, call our board line number 8285814555. So let's talk in detail about the crash course. The Manua launches the crash course for St. Xavier's Entrance Test 2021, and in that you will get all the basic concepts, all the fundamental concepts, and you will learn to the various shortcut tricks, and that is nothing but the googly shortcuts. So you can solve any of the questions within fraction of seconds. Because guys, with respect to the entrance test, you have to develop your speed, and that means the quick solving techniques. So guys, you will get overall shortcut tricks and even the cognitive effects in our live lectures. You have to run the 80 hours of marathon, that means of lectures and the doubt classes. All your doubts will be solved into the live lectures. In live lectures, you will get the guidance, the mentorship, you will learn to the topper strategies, so you can make your own strategies accordingly. The third one, you will be get the clusters of 5,000 questions for the practice purpose, because with respect to the entrance test, the one data you should have, and that is nothing but the practice, because the amount of practice is directly proportional to your preparations. So if you have done a lot of practice with respect to the entrance test, that means you are too eager to crack the entrance test. So practice more, because practice makes the perfect. The fourth one, you can evaluate yourself, because you will get the topic test and the mock test. Topic test with respect to each particular section, and the mock test, that means the full length mock test. So that will be complete a mirror image, or you can say that the replica of the St. Xavier entrance test. So with mock test, you can analyze yourself. You will be familiar what are the question types, what is the paper pattern, how much is the difficulty level, and what are your weak sections and the strong sections. So thus you can make your DTA strategies, and you can focus more on your weak sections and strong sections accordingly. The fifth one guys, you will learn to the various skill development courses, such as the St. Xavier's include a personal interview criteria in the selection process. So you will also get the guidance for the personal interview, and if St. Xavier include one and more criterias in the selection process, then also you will get the complete guidance for each and every criteria. So don't worry about the entrance exam preparations, and even with respect to the selection process criterias, you will get the complete preparation with Manua crash course. So guys, if you have any doubts and queries, please ask me in the below comment section. And if you want to join our crash course program, call or WhatsApp on 8285814555. So friends, let's talk about why the St. Xavier's entrance test. If you want to make your career into the business world, then the BMS is the right course for you. The Bachelor of Management Studies, you can also go for further studies to pursue your master program. And guys, if you are pass out from the St. Xavier's, then this college tag will definitely help you, even if you try the off-campus interviews. So there is tremendous growth in BMS and even for the BMM. So guys, if you want to pursue these two particular courses, then guys, the St. Xavier is the best institute for your graduation degree, because it established in 1869 as an autonomous institute and one of the best institute in India for the BMS and BMM program. And each year more than 85 to 100 plus companies visit at campus and takes part in the recruitment process. Some of the companies like JP Morgan, Dalberg, Capgemini, Asian Paints, Aeon, Deloitte, Fujitsu, Across Borders, PwC, Bain & Company, and Accenture, Ernst & Youngs, and various companies are there. So guys, don't worry about the placement. If we compare the fee structure, then this institute also gives you the best return on the investment, because the fees for BMS and BMM, it is around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh for 3 years program. And if we compare the salary packages, then it gives you the highest packages 6 to 7 lakh per annum, and even more than this, as the official website doesn't disclose any placement packages. But yes guys, I have some data of past years where the lowest package was 4 to 5 lakh per annum. But this is not the exact figure. If you read the Hindustan Times newspaper of 7th Feb, then you might be noticed that St. Xavier College Mumbai had held its placement session online in view of the COVID-19 pandemic situations. So there were no physical interviews in a first of its kind placement season, which was conducted online across city and colleges. A final year Bachelor of Management Studies, that's a BMS student from the St. Xavier College, has backed a job offering of remuneration of 30 lakh per annum. So guys, see the packages. Even from the second year onwards, your summer internship will be start. So you will also get the huge package in the summer internship, and see the figure here, the 30 lakh per annum. So guys, if you have that much skills, if you are picking some of the companies and some of the companies picks you, then guys, definitely you will be headline of the newspaper. Just like this, the 30 lakh per annum. Although they doesn't disclose the name, but yes guys, the 30 lakh was the highest package for the BMS student. So you can assume you can get 10 to 12 to 15 lakh also. And if you consider the 30 lakh, then it gives you 30 times more than of your investment. Let's consider if it gives the 30 lakh per annum, then it also gives you 10 to 15 lakh per annum, then 1 to 1.5 lakh fees. And if you consider 10 to 15 lakh of package, then it gives you the best return on the investment. So it's worth it. So guys, if you have keen interest in mass media communication and mass journalism and even in management studies, then guys, your first preference should be the St. Xavier's College. And to enter into it, you have to crack the entrance test, and for that you can join our online program. You can enroll for the books, mock tests if you are lacking in any particular section, then sectional wise course. If you want video lectures, PDF files and the mock test, then full course. If you want to interact live with us, then you can join our crash course. If you are preparing for 2022, then also you can join with us. So call or WhatsApp on this number or visit at manuedu.com/BBentrance. If you want to join our classroom preparations, join us at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So this is all from today's video guys. If you have any doubts and queries, ask me in the below comment section. And to get regular updates with respect to the St. Xavier entrance test and even with respect to all BB entrance exams, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.